In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a landing page in Figma step by step, even if you're completely new to the app. By the end, you'll know how to set up a clean desktop layout, add structure with a grid, build a simple navigation bar, design a strong hero section, and finish with social proof, feature cards, testimonials, and a final call to action. This is a great process to follow whether you're designing for a personal project, a startup, or a client presentation. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Figma and design tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Figma and create a new design file. Once your file is open, press F to bring up the frame tool and choose a desktop frame. A standard desktop frame gives you the right starting point for most landing pages because it helps you design with a real website layout in mind instead of working on an empty canvas. After that, head over to the right sidebar and add a layout grid. This step is really important because it keeps everything aligned and gives your design a professional structure. Choose columns as the grid type, then set the count to 12. A 12-column grid is one of the most common systems in web design because it gives you flexibility when arranging content. For the margin, you can use 32 pixels or 80 pixels depending on how wide and spacious you want the layout to feel. For the gutter, use 16 pixels or 24 pixels so the spacing between columns stays clean and easy to work with. Once the grid is set, you'll immediately notice how much easier it becomes to place elements with consistency. Now let's build the navigation bar. At the top of the frame, place your logo on the left side. This can be a simple text logo or an uploaded brand mark. Then add your menu links across the top, such as home, features, and pricing. Keep them simple and easy to scan. On the right side, add a primary button like sign up or get started. This button should stand out visually, so use a strong fill color and make sure it has enough contrast against the background. A good navigation bar should feel balanced, readable, and easy to use. Next, move into the hero section, which is usually the most important part of the landing page. Start with a bold headline that clearly explains the value of the product or service. Your headline should be short, direct, and attention-grabbing. Under that, add a supporting description that gives a little more context without becoming too long. Think of this as the space where you quickly explain what the page is offering and why the visitor should care. Then add a high-contrast CTA button like Start Free Trial, Get Started, or Book a Demo. This CTA should be one of the most noticeable elements on the page. If you want, you can also add a smaller secondary CTA, but keep the main action clear. To make the hero section more visually engaging, add a product mockup image or an illustration next to the text or directly below it. This helps people understand the product faster and makes the layout feel more polished. Once the hero is in place, move into the social proof section. This can include client logos, user badges, or any trust signals that show credibility. Social proof is important because it helps visitors feel confident that the product is real and trusted by others. You can arrange logos in a simple horizontal row or use a compact grid if you want more structure. After that, start building your feature cards. These are usually arranged in a grid and used to highlight the main benefits of the product. For each card, include a small icon, a short title, and a quick description. Keep the wording focused on the value, not just the feature itself. For example, instead of only naming a function, explain what it helps the user achieve. A clean feature grid makes the page easier to scan and gives your landing page a strong visual rhythm. Then add testimonials. This section is great for building trust and showing real-world results. You can use a few short quotes from customers along with names, roles, or profile images if available. Testimonials work best when they feel natural and specific. Try to keep the layout consistent so the section looks balanced and professional. Finally, add a bottom call to action before the footer. This is your last chance to encourage the visitor to take action, so repeat the main message and make the button easy to find. Keep it clear, confident, and direct. After that, you can add a simple footer with links, copyright text, or contact information. As you build, remember to keep everything aligned to the grid, maintain consistent spacing, and use a clear visual hierarchy so the page feels polished from top to bottom. That's the full process for creating a landing page in Figma. You started with a desktop frame, added a 12-column layout grid, built a strong navigation bar, designed a compelling hero section, and finished with social proof, feature cards, testimonials, and a final CTA. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more Figma tutorials, UI design tips, and beginner-friendly walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.